le français avec roman. Chérie, j'ai froid. C'est normal. Pourquoi? La fenêtre est ouverte. Chérie, j'ai froid. C'est normal. Pourquoi? La fenêtre est ouverte. So, the first thing you can see is in French, when we want to say I'm cold, we have to use the verb I have. J'ai froid. I have cold. So, be careful. J'ai froid. Second thing, chérie. Here, thanks to the writing, we understand that it's a woman who is talking to her boyfriend or her husband. Because there is no e. As you may know, chérie is an adjective. And in French, adjectives are either masculine or féminine. Masculin, féminin. So here, masculin, féminin. Masculin, féminin. We usually have to add e for the feminine form. It doesn't change the pronunciation, by the way. Chérie, chérie. So here we know that it's a woman who is talking to her boyfriend. Chérie, j'ai froid. Don't forget that usually the ending letter is never pronounced in French. So don't say j'ai froide. No, j'ai froid. C'est normal. So it means it's normal. It's normal. So of course you are. Pourquoi? Pourquoi? La fenêtre est ouverte. So as you can see, I don't say la fenêtre est ouverte. No, French people like to put words together. La fenêtre est, la fenêtre est, tre. This is what we call in French liaison. La fenêtre est ouverte. So, fenêtre is a feminine word. La fenêtre. So, ouverte is an adjective. So, as you know, adjectives in French are either masculin or féminin. Feminine or masculine. So here I must add e. La fenêtre est ouverte. If I am talking about the fridge, which is masculine in French, le frigo, you see here, there is no e. Le frigo est ouvert. Le frigo est ouvert. I must also here add a liaison. La fenêtre est ouverte. Le frigo est ouvert. Here, since we do one here, we don't need to do another link here. Because there is another adjective after. Le frigo est ouvert. You see here, no e because le frigo is a masculine word. Here, la fenêtre is feminine word, so we have to add e. La fenêtre est ouverte. Le frigo est ouvert. So here, do not pronounce t. Don't say le frigo est ouverte, because we believe that frigo is feminine. La fenêtre est ouverte. Le frigo est ouvert. Le froid. Le froid. Normal. Normal. So, here, if it's we are talking about a masculine word, I must add e for female form, feminine form. Pourquoi? La fenêtre ouverte. Le vent. Wind. Le pull. Sweater. La porte. So ici, French words are either masculine or feminine. Fermé. To close. Le chaud. Heat. So if you want to say, for example, that you feel hot, j'ai chaud. I have heat. So be careful. If you say in French, je suis chaud, the meaning is different. It means I am hot. So be very careful. Je suis chaud means I am okay for something also. Something normal. Huh? But we never say je suis chaud, or it means other things, another meaning. Maybe you are sexually aroused. So be very careful. J'ai chaud. So, on répète. Let's repeat together. Chérie, j'ai froid. C'est normal. Pourquoi? La fenêtre est ouverte. La fenêtre est ouverte. When I speak faster, la fenêtre est ouverte. Merci, à bientôt.